Welcome to another Casio watch review. That's Casio, greatest watch brand in the world. And the great thing about collecting Casios and being a Casio addict is now and again you can corrupt the minds of other people and trick them into buying a Casio, which is what I've done here. I have talked my girlfriend into buying this ABL-100WEG-9AEF. She really likes it, and I'm a bit of a fan too. I think it's a cool looking watch. It's got a step tracker in it, so Casio's up their game. They've turned a vintage Casio into more of a kind of smartwatchy Casio hybrid thing. I've also bought one myself. I bought the silver one. It should be in the post. Is on the way. So the question is gold my color? I'm not sure, but let's open this box up and have a look inside. So I've changed the scene slightly so you can see the fish tank now, and I've lit a nice little candle, some ambiance for this Casio review. Okay, let's open this up. This box has already been opened by my partner. She has worn it probably maybe 5 to 10 times already. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, here we go. Pull it out, like I said. This is a reenactment of the first event of unboxing this. But if you can see, it's a pretty good looking watch. It is a pretty good looking watch. And what I love most about this model is the strap. They've really upgraded the strap on these. Much tighter links. It's a bit of a hair pincher. I got to admit, I tried it on. It does pinch the hairs a little bit. So if you have incredibly hairy arms or you are part gorilla, maybe don't buy this watch. So there you go. Just wipe the screen a little bit. So you've got the step tracker here. Just zoom in for you there. So on the face, you can either have the day, the date, and there's a little seconds counter on the top there, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, you can have your steps showing either way. Stopwatch, pretty standard here from Casio. You can record your lap times, I'm guessing, and your timer countdown. Your DT, so you can have multiple times at the same time, which is pretty cool. So, you know, functionality-wise, this watch is pretty cool, and I think Casio have done a good job. You know, they've taken a classic kind of looking watch and they've made it a bit more modern and a bit more usable. But there you go. I would say, like I said, I wouldn't personally buy this gold one because there's not enough going on for me. It's a little bit too gold, which is why I bought the silver one. Can't wait to show you all that one. But it's a pretty nice looking watch. The little Casio logo there. Nice. But yeah, all in all, pretty impressed with this. Do I think it's worth the money? These are a little bit overpriced, I would say. I kind of feel like 60 to 70 pound. I don't know. I mean, what do you think? You let me know in the comments. Is this watch overpriced? I think it's a little bit overpriced, maybe by about 10 pounds. You know, I think 50 pounds would be a fair price for this watch. It's not that premium. It is a bit more functional and it's slightly bigger actually than I thought it would. So yeah, let me know what you think. Is this watch overpriced? And are you thinking of buying one? If you're thinking of pulling the trigger on this and you're watching this video, is this the watch for you? The next purchase? I don't know. Lovely. Lovely looking watch. So my girlfriend wears this and I would say this is probably not for a smaller wrist. The reason is I have it set to this at the moment, which is good for my wrist, but when she has it set, the strap ends up underneath. You get a lot of strap underlap. So it can be not as comfy. I just think that it's probably for a larger wrist, this model. It's definitely for a larger wrist. But it is a very nice looking watch. Very, very nice. Let's have a little look on the back here. Lots of information on the back of this watch. Look at that. Lots of codes. Lots of codes. ABL-100WE, stainless steel back, water resistant, made in Thailand, this one. Made in Thailand. So if you can see, if you're struggling to know what the buttons do, you just look on the back. Mode connect, adjust, the light, and the search. Pretty simple to use. Again, if you're thinking of buying one of these and the price is putting you off, I would say you're getting a pretty nice watch for 60 to 70 pounds. I do, I really do. Okay, let's try it on. Try it on the wrist. Boom, on the wrist. ABL-100WEG. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Very gold, very gold. I don't know if I can pull this off, guys. I don't know if it's my color. It definitely suits my girlfriend much more than it suits me. But I don't know. There might be an occasion where I want to borrow this. But I don't let her borrow any of my Casios. So she'll probably tell me where to go, to be honest. She'll probably tell me to F off, I'd imagine. It does feel really nice on the wrist. I gotta say, it is very comfy. But it's a little bit pinchy. Already I can feel some of my hairs leaving my body and getting trapped in the strap, probably forever, as the links are so tight. But there we go. Very nice. Very classy looking watch. Do like the strap on these things, I must say. It's definitely an upgrade. Cool. Well, let's check out the backlight on this, because I do like a backlight test. Okay, folks, here we are. Darkest room in the house for this backlight test. Whoosh, nice. Lovely little shade of orange there. Stays on for 1 second. Not sure if you can adjust the time on the light. I might have to look into this. I do like a 3 second. I do like a 3 second on the light here. 1 second is not quite enough, especially if you're a massive child like me and you're constantly pressing the light button. But there we go. Super. Welcome back. That was the backlight test. Lovely little shade of orange. Impressive. Impressive little watch. I do like this, and I gotta say I'm a fan. I do like a step tracker in a watch as well. So Casio, well done. You've made a classic a little bit more usable, so that's great. I just want to show you one thing as well. If any of you are thinking that it is the same size as this little watch, you are wrong, because it is not. Just get the light on there. The ABL is definitely bigger than the A168. Let's just put them together here. Just zoom in there. Very, I would say in thickness, no difference. But length, definitely. Lug to lug is definitely bigger. Slightly bigger. So if you're looking for the same size as this and you think this is the same size, it's not. It's not quite there. Even the buttons are slightly different. Apologies for the light in here today. I've had to pretty much full-time switch to night videos, I think. It just wasn't working in the day. I tried shooting this video the other day in the daytime and it was so gloomy, I deleted it. So here we go. A168, ABL-100, WEG. Very nice. I've got the silver equivalent of this coming, so I'm dead excited to have both of them side by side, or even all three of them side by side, just to show you guys at home. So there we go. Go out and buy it. If you want it, get it. Treat yourself. You never know when life will come to an end. Just joking. Collect loads of watches, have some fun. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing lately. I am absolutely just stunned by all the subscribers lately. And I'm now a YouTube partner, whatever that means. I don't know. But apparently you can now buy memberships to my channel and get exclusive content. So if you fancy doing that, feel free. And then I can record some private videos for all the members to watch. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you soon. There are many watch reviews coming, like I said. And yeah, some really cool watch reviews coming up. I've really pushed the boat out lately and spent a few quid, which is not ideal leading up to Christmas. But hey, you only live once, and why not? I love Casios. I love watch collecting. It's never going to stop. See you soon. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Thanks, Casio. Bye-bye.